Welcome students in the period of physical quantities and measurement. Today we will study the area and its unit. Area is the surface occupied by object. We call the area as a surface occupied by object. Area is same as the space occupied by a three-dimensional object, and the space is known as volume for a three-dimensional object which is having length, breadth and the height. Area is the surface occupied by any object. It may be square, rectangular shape, and since the area of a square is length into length, length is measured in meter in the SI system, and hence SI unit of area is written in square meter. Okay, length into length and meter into meter, so it is written as square meter. In system international unit of systems, area is measured in square meter. In short, it is written as meter square. 1 meter square is 1 meter into 1 meter. Let us see another smaller units and their conversion. Square meter is area of a square of side 1 meter. 1 meter square is written as area of a square of side 1 meter. 1 meter into 1 meter. You have heard about acre. Acre is the area of a square with each side 10 meter. Area of a square of each side 10 meter is called 1 acre. What is formula of area of a square? Side into side means 10 into 10, that is 100 meter square. So 1 acre is written as area of a square of side 10 meter. 10 meter into 10 meter is equal to 100 meter square. This is relation between 1 acre and meters square. 1 acre is equal to 100 meter square. 2 acre will be equal to 200 meter square. 3 acre will be 300 meter square. 1 hectare is area of a square of side 100 meter. Area of a square of side 100 meter is called as 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to area of a square is written as side into side or length of side into side. 100 meter into 100 meter is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1 square kilometer is area of a square with each side measuring 1 kilometer. Using formula of area of a square, 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter into 1000 meter, that is 10 raised to 6. You can see 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 raised to 6 meter square or 10 lakh meter square. You can convert meter into millimeter also. 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. Take it square, then you will get 1 meter square is equal to 10 lakh millimeter square. Similarly, you can convert meter square into centimeter square. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter square. 100 square is 10,000, and hence 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So you can write the different units in the different systems, MKS, CGS and SI system, and use the formula of a square, formula of area of square. Area of square is equal to length of side into length of side or side square, and hence its SI unit is 1 meter square. As we write the length or distance in meter in the SI system, SI unit of area is square meter or in short meter square. All these conversions are written in this chart. Remember this after 7th standard also. It is useful up to higher levels after 10th also. 1 square centimeter is equal to 100 square millimeter. 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeters. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters. 1 square kilometer is equal to 100 hectares. And 1 square kilometer is equal to 1 million square meters. Remember this chart, how you convert. There is a base unit in terms of 10, 10, 10. You can convert this base unit from base unit to deci, centimeter. Okay. Then deca, hecto, kilometer. Here, see, these are smaller units and these are higher units. This central is known as base unit. Again, let us revise units of area. 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter. It is area of surface of a square, side into side. Its side is 1 meter. 1 acre is area of a square with each side 10 meter, means 10 into 10, 100 meters square. 1 acre is equal to 10 meter into 10 meter is equal to 100 meter square. 1 hectare is area of a square with each side 10 acre. Or 100 meter. And hence 1 hectare is equal to 100 meter into 100 meter, that is 10,000 meters square. 1 square kilometer is area of a square of side 1 kilometer, that is 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer square. Remember this chart for relation between the various units. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here basic conversions are given. And here conversions between the area units is given. One meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeters square. 1 meter into 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter is equal to 10,000 centimeters square. 2 meters square will be double than this, 2 into 10,000 centimeters square, that is 20,000 centimeters square. Here there should be 20,000 centimeters square. Let us convert reverse. 10,000 centimeters square is equal to 1 meter square. From centimeter square to meter square, how you will convert? Divide both sides by 10,000. So 10,000 will get cancelled from both sides. And we get on this side 1 upon 10,000 meter square. That is 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.0001 meter square. Again see, when we want conversion from centimeter square to meter square, then divide. For the smaller to bigger conversion, divide both sides by this number. From this side this will get cancelled. We will get here 1 centimeter square is equal to, and here it will be 1 divided by 10,000 meter square, that is equal to 0.001 meter square. 2 centimeter square will be how much? Double than this, means 2 into 0.001 is equal to 0.002. Next topic is measurement of area of regular object. Regular objects are objects having the regular shapes. For examples, rectangle, square, triangle, circle. They occupy this surface. This is known as area. From mathematics, formula to calculate area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, product of or multiplication of length and breadth. If we know base and height, area of a triangle is 1/2 base into height. Area of circle is pi r square. R is the radius of this circle. We can calculate area of page of our book, area of blackboard, area of wall of our home by measuring length and breadth. Using the formula for triangle, we can calculate area of many triangular shaped things, and using the formula for area of a circle, we can calculate area of a tire of bicycle, ring, bangle, which have small thickness. We can also use graph technique. It has the squares of 1 centimeter side. So you draw a shape and measure the number of squares. If there is one square, area occupied is 1 centimeter square. If there are two squares, area occupied is 2 centimeter square. If area has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 squares, then area will be 16 centimeter squares. 16 into 1 centimeter square, that is 16 centimeter square. So you can calculate the area of regular object either by formula or by using the graph paper. You draw the object, outline of the object on the paper and measure the 1 centimeter square. How many squares are there which has side 1 centimeter square? From that you can measure the area directly. If object is not of regular shape, whose formula is known. If object is not circular, triangular, square or rectangle, then you put that on paper, draw the outline, make the squares of 1 centimeter square and measure the full squares and measure the half squares also. Half plus half, 2 half squares will make full square. Area of 2 half squares will be 1 centimeter square. Count the half squares also. More than half squares you will consider as a full, and less than half you drop, and so you count the total number of full squares, half squares, and total area will be equal to total full squares into 1 centimeter square plus total number of half squares divided by 2. Plus more than half squares, and you multiply each by 1 centimeter square, so you will get the total area. Of irregular shape. So you will get the total area of the irregular shape object. You can take leaves, any object which does not have any regular area. Make the outline, count the full squares, half squares, more than half squares, and make their total and multiply by 1 centimeter square. You will get the area of the irregular shaped objects. There is one short trick used in the higher exams. You can count the greens, these boundary points, show them by B. Count the purple color points, show them by capital I, and use this formula I plus B by 2 minus 1. This is for exams only, external. For regular exam, use the technique of textbook. Count the full squares, half squares and more than half squares and make their total and multiply by 1 centimeter square. So here also you can calculate the area very fast. Next topic is on density. Density, like the force or displacement, mass is a quantity. Mass divided by volume is known as density. If there is more mass in the same volume, object is said to be more dense, like the solids. And if there is less mass in the same volume, object is called to be less dense, like liquids and gases. You can imagine about iron and cotton. Cotton is taken in the same container will have less mass, but iron has the more mass. It is heavy than the cotton in the same volume. And from this we say that the cotton is less dense and iron is the higher dense. Since in the same volume V, mass is more for iron, we get more density. And iron like objects, they will be very heavy if they are filled in the same volume. Iron molecules are very close and they occupy more mass in the same volume V. So here heaviness of the object in the same space is given by density. We can judge by the density. Mass upon volume is called as the density. Every object, liquid, gas or the solid, occupies the volume but in different amounts. Their atoms and molecules, they occupy the same volume but different mass, and this division of mass with volume is known as density. Consider example of water, and here suppose sugar. In the same cube, or you can take glass, which will be heavier? Sugar will be heavier than the water. So which is dense? Mass of sugar is more, so sugar will have more density than the water. Like this, every substance has the value of density. And density is measure of mass per unit volume. Per unit means 1 meter cube volume. Mass in the 1 meter cube volume is known as density. For example, if in 1 meter cube mass is 2 kg, then in 2 meter cube mass will be equal to 4 kg, double than this. Beakers are shown in the diagram. Gas molecules have less attraction and hence they have small mass in the same beaker. If you consider liquid like water, mercury, alcohol, then there will be more molecules than the gas molecules. We observe in the surrounding, gas moves from any place to any place, occupies any space, but there are less number of molecules, less mass. In the liquid there is more attraction than gases, and hence there are more molecules, more mass than the gas molecule in the same beaker. If you consider solid, like suppose sugar, aluminium, wood, then there will be more attraction between molecules. They do not leave the container, they are close to each other, and there are more molecules than the liquid molecules, and hence solid has more mass in the same space, that is container. So in the same volume, in the same space, mass of solid is more than the liquid and gases, and mass is more, so division of mass upon volume will be more for solid. So density of solid is more than density of liquid and gas. Density is given by formula mass upon volume, mass per unit volume. Unit means 1 meter cube volume. Mass in 1 meter cube volume of solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas is known as density. We can measure mass in kg and volume in meter cube, and hence density in g per meter cube. This rho is the Greek symbol for density. In your textbook, density is shown by small d. It is also right. Let us solve word problems. Suppose here mass we have to find out and density and volume is given. Then how to find the mass? Density is given by formula mass upon volume. Hence mass will be equal to density multiplied by volume. Volume is equal to 1 meter cube. Then how much will be mass here? Mass of water. Mass is equal to density into volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume, and hence mass is equal to density into volume. Substitute, put the values of density 1000 and of volume 1, then multiplication will be 1000 kg. If density is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube and volume is 2 meter cube, then how much mass of water will be there? If volume is 2 meter cube, mass will be calculated by density into volume. This 1000 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 2000 kg. So here if volume doubles, mass occupied also doubles. If density of some other substance, oil or etc., it may be any substance, given substance, is 1500 kg per meter cube and volume is 1 meter cube, then how much will be the mass? Use the formula density is equal to mass upon volume, then mass is given by density into volume. Put the values of density and the volume. 1500 multiplied by 1 is 1500 kg. Like this you can calculate mass if volume and density is given. You can calculate density if mass and volume is given. You can calculate volume occupied if mass and density are given using formula density is equal to mass upon volume. In your book, symbol small d is given for density. You can use also that symbol. Thank you.